Today, we are taking a closer look at the OneOdio wired over-ear headphones. I want to share my experience using these headphones for everyday listening, content creation, and podcasting. For technical reasons, I am unable to show the physical unboxing or the headphones themselves on camera. So instead, you will see a screencast of the product page while I describe how it actually performs in real use. The design of the OneOdio headphones is simple but practical. The closed-back ear cups provide decent isolation, blocking out a good amount of background noise without feeling overly tight. The headband is adjustable and padded, which helps for long sessions, although the clamping force might feel a bit strong at first for some users. The ear cushions are soft enough but do warm up after extended listening. Build quality is solid for the price range, mostly durable plastic with some metal reinforcement in the headband. They do fold for easier storage, making them a bit more portable compared to bulkier studio models. One of the biggest highlights is the 50mm neodymium drivers. Sound is powerful with a noticeable emphasis on the low end. Bass is deep and punchy, which makes these great for casual music listening, gaming, or streaming. However, if you're looking for perfectly flat studio monitoring, you will notice that the mids and highs are not entirely neutral. Vocals sometimes sit slightly behind the bass, and treble can feel a little rolled off. For editing podcasts or mixing music, this means you may need to double-check your work on another pair of reference headphones. These headphones include a useful dual cable system with both 3.5mm and 6.35mm jacks. That makes them compatible with audio interfaces, mixers, and standard devices like laptops or phones without needing an adapter. The coiled cable is convenient in studio setups, while the straight cable works better for portable use. This flexibility is one of the reasons many budget-conscious creators choose this model. Comfort is generally good, especially for shorter sessions, but during long hours you may feel the weight and heat around the ears. If you wear glasses, the seal can break slightly, reducing the passive noise isolation. Still, for the price point, the overall comfort level is acceptable. You will find a link to buy and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. Durability over time is decent. The cables are detachable, which adds longevity because you can replace them if they wear out. The hinge mechanism for folding feels stable, though not as robust as higher-end headphones. If you plan to travel with these, a protective case would be a smart investment, since they don't come with one included. When it comes to soundstage, these headphones perform fairly well for closed-back design. Instruments are separated nicely, though not as wide or airy as open-back models. Gamers will appreciate the clear directional audio cues, making them suitable for both casual and competitive gaming. Podcasters and streamers will like the comfort and strong bass presence, although they might want to monitor with a second reference device for critical editing. Overall, the OneOdio wired over-ear headphones deliver very good performance for their price bracket. They are not perfect, especially if you need absolute studio accuracy, but they excel in versatility, compatibility, and powerful sound. For someone on a budget who needs a reliable pair for music, gaming, or basic production work, they are a solid choice. If you are used to premium studio headphones, you may notice the coloration in the sound, but for beginners and enthusiasts, they are more than enough. Thank you for watching this review of the OneOdio wired over-ear headphones. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to support future reviews.